Hello and welcome to the world of Craig. Now they are some pretty bold stripes, but we had so much time creating them the first time round that we decided to go in again. And this video contains lots of bleaching tips and how to get graphic with direct dye. And there he is, the gorgeous Deano. Now let's have a look at his hair before we get started. He has about a 3-month regrowth, which isn't tricky because I know his hair so well. And he's been using K18 at home, so his hair is in fantastic condition. I spritzed his hair with water before applying the molecular mist to repair and protect before we started any bleaching. Once my lightener was on, I went in with some foil in between each section. Now, this is really important, and I do this with pretty much every global bleach that I do. Not quite light enough there. We pop the foil back on and wait another 5 minutes. This ensures maximum incubation and makes the products work better to get you better lift at a lower volume of peroxide. The most important thing with any direct dye application is that your canvas is really even. I applied 5 pumps of K18 leave-in mask before rough drying and then brushing through. Now here's the pre-lightened result, and it's important to mention here that we then pre-toned. 2 of the shades that we're using for the final result are blue, and yellow and blue make green, so we wanted to get rid of as much gold as possible. Then I went in with the K18 leave-in mask again before we rough dried, and we're ready for that direct dye. I've been using overtone now for a couple of years, and not only is it a lovely texture to apply, but the colours are really true to tone. I will link their website down below. Okay, it's top tip time. Now, if you're wanting to create bold graphic stripes using direct dye, my biggest tip for you would be to be precise. You can see my sectioning here is super clean and I'm using lots of clips to keep the hair out of the way. My next big tip is make sure you apply plenty of the product that you are using. Make sure your sections are very, very well saturated. That's the best way to get the best results. I'm using foil here in between each section and making sure, as I said, there's plenty of product on there before I move on to my next shade. Wow. Before more results, a quick reminder that if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like, make sure you're subscribed and you hit that bell notification. There's loads more hair and free education on my Instagram, which is on screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.